In NASA's continuing journey to expand human presence in orbit, the SpaceX Crew-11 mission is preparing for launch. This mission is part of NASA's Commercial Crew program, sending a new team of astronauts to the International Space Station. Their goal is simple but historic: to support cutting-edge science and upgrade key systems that will keep the ISS operating into the next decade. During their stay, the Crew-11 astronauts will conduct experiments in biology, physics, medicine, and Earth observation, research that can only be done in microgravity. They will also perform spacewalks, test new technologies, and help prepare the station for future missions, including NASA's long-term plans for the Moon under Artemis. Every Crew Dragon launch marks another step forward in America's leadership in space. And with Crew-11, NASA and SpaceX continue building the foundation for a future where humans live and work beyond Earth for months, and one day, even years. This is NASA's Crew-11 mission, pushing science further, and taking humanity closer to the stars.